Welcome back to the channel. Let's optimize your business.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of MoreThanPanel and explain some of the features that make it an interesting platform for users looking for a centralized online dashboard. Whether you're hearing about MoreThanPanel for the first time or simply want to learn more about it, this video will provide a general introduction to the platform. MoreThanPanel is an online platform that provides access to various social media marketing-related services through a single website. One of the first things many users notice is its clean and organized interface. A well-designed dashboard can make a significant difference in the overall experience, and MoreThanPanel focuses on keeping navigation simple and straightforward. After creating an account and logging in, users can access different sections of the platform from a central dashboard. This helps keep information organized and makes it easier to find tools and features without spending time searching through complicated menus. Simplicity is one of the platform's main strengths, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Another important advantage is accessibility. Since MoreThanPanel is web-based, users can access their accounts from desktops, laptops, tablets, or smartphones with an internet connection. This flexibility allows users to manage their activities and stay connected from virtually anywhere. The platform is designed to bring multiple features together in one place. Instead of switching between different websites, users can manage everything through a single dashboard. This centralized approach can save time and improve efficiency. The interface is also designed to help users locate information quickly, reducing confusion and creating a smoother overall experience. Organization is another key benefit. Having important information available in one location helps users stay informed and manage their activities more effectively. A structured dashboard can make daily tasks easier while providing a better user experience overall. MoreThanPanel continues to attract attention because of its focus on convenience, accessibility, and ease of use. As with any online platform, it's always a good idea to explore the available features and understand how everything works. Taking time to review the information provided on the website can help users determine whether the platform meets their needs. Technology is constantly evolving, and platforms that prioritize simplicity often stand out because they reduce barriers for new users. MoreThanPanel appears to embrace this approach by providing a user-friendly environment that is easy to navigate and understand. Overall, MoreThanPanel offers a centralized platform where users can access services through a simple and organized interface. The combination of accessibility, convenience, and straightforward navigation contributes to a positive user experience. If you're interested in learning more, I recommend visiting MoreThanPanel.com and exploring the platform for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this overview has helped you better understand MoreThanPanel and what it offers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more content in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. MoreThanPanel is a platform built on trust, focusing on reliability, consistency, and a smooth user experience. It aims to provide users with a secure and organized system where they can feel confident using the service every day.